my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Eyescream Beauty. Now, if you're not familiar, Eyescream Beauty is a monthly beauty subscription. They do focus mostly on makeup, but you get a tool every once in a while. A bag is $12.50 per month. You get 3 to 4 items inside that bag. This is the box and it runs for $25 and you get 5 to 7 items inside this box. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for August. So when you open it up, it looks like this. She does include a card with retail prices, which I do appreciate. And she included some packing peanuts. Let me go ahead and get those out. And that is what I have. So let's go ahead and start. So I see 2 pencils in here. These are by Crown. It looks like I have a purple, okay, Purple Fairy and Gone Platinum waterproof eyeliner eyebrow pencil. And those are the colors. Let's see. The Metallic Eyeliner Duo by Crown Pro retails for $7. Let's go ahead and pop this open real quick. That's what that looks like. And we have this kind of a pencil, and I bet it turns up, doesn't it? Oh, we have to sharpen it. Okay. Wow. Okay. So that's what that one looks like. It's a pretty color. I could see where this would be really easy to do like a cut crease or something with these. So yeah, I'm happy about that. Hi, May May. Hi, May May. The next thing is by Carry On 2, a blush and a highlighter. And these are Blush and Glow Duo. These are by IBY and they retail for $22. This is IBY. Oh yes, it is IBY. Okay. And then I have the color Wonderlust and Sunkissed. So let's take a look at the blush first. And it comes packaged in a little styrofoam thing. This shape is very popular. And usually they put the color of the item on the container. I have a couple of other IBY. See, this is an eyeshadow. That's that color and it's a matte. And then here's another one. So that's their shape of containers. Oh, that is pretty. That is very pretty. Let me double it up so you can at least see the color. There we go. It buffs out nice. Yeah, that's very pretty. I like that. So I'm glad to get that. Now let's check out this highlighter. Same little styrofoam, same packaging, and that's the color. Ooh, look at that. I'll swatch it. Wow. That's what that looks like. Very nice. Is it glittery? No, it's not glittery, which is really nice. Okay, so I like that. The next thing is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This one is Saturn, and it's holographic lip gloss. Holographic lip gloss. This is $20 it retails for. Well, let's check it out. I don't know if I can get this off. There we go. So it comes just on a doe foot. Put more on. Yeah, it's a nice shine. I can't really see it. I have to use my other mirror to see it. Oh yeah. I don't know about holographic, but it's a very pretty color. This would be nice, like if you have a darker color that you want to lighten up. That'll work really well for that. And it just gives you just a hint of color on your natural lips too. And did I tell you what this one? The $20. Yes, I did. The next thing is my Skinny Mask Australia Miracle Hydrating Serum with prickly pear seed oil and vitamin A, C, and E. It's to instantly brighten, hydrate, and glow. It is plant-based. So it's cruelty-free, it's vegan. I can't read all those things. Stand by. Nature-friendly, anti-pollution, made in Australia, and there's no bad ingredients, it says. So this is keeping your skin super hydrated, infused with potent vitamin A, C, E, and prickly pear seed oil that helps refine pores and brighten dull and tired skin. Okay, so let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. This is a glass bottle. And it comes with an eyedropper. Wow, look at that color. It is an oil. Okay. So I can see where this would be, it's oil, so it's sinking in very well, but because it's oil, I would probably tend to put this on at night instead of during the day. But it did sink in. I don't see anything. It's a little shiny, but seems to have brightened my hand a little bit. Now this retails, my Skinny Mask Miracle Hydrating Cream does retail for $40. The last thing, and this is a palette, and in the bag and in the box, everybody gets a palette each month. So let's see what this one is. This is by Eyescream Beauty Scarlet Dusk. Look how pretty that is. Scarlet. So, does that mean there's going to be a bunch of red in here? And the palette looks the same. We do have a nice mirror, and yes. Ooh. Ooh. I like this palette a lot. Wow, look at those pretty colors. Let me swatch one that I know I'll use. Probably Lotus. Right here. Let me go in again so you can see it. Very pretty. Let's do this crimson. Wowzers! Oh my gosh, that's just one time. Are you kidding me? Let's buff it out and see how it blends. Yeah, you can blend that out. Wow, I did not expect that. I need a wipe. Stand by. All clean. I did not expect that. That was this one right here. How orange that was. How pigmented. I cannot wait to use this palette. So, for $25, we have a palette, a hydrating serum, a highlighter, and a blush. We have a pencil duo and a holographic lip gloss. And all of this I got for $25. And it retailed for $124. It is so worth it. Definitely worth it. I would definitely, you know, if you want to get some makeup, and you know, I mean, I would pay over $124 in the store for these items. Don't forget about tax, and if you order it online, let's put shipping in there too. So, I mean, this is quite a bargain, and I'm really liking this. And I am really glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.